I am going to attempt to make my first Philippine recipe tonight, buhan. I hope I didn't murder that name. Lynn, correct me if I did. I got to come here and get a few ingredients like carrots, onions, peppers. It's a very easy recipe as far as ingredients. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, but I'll do it slow so everybody can see it, and I'm gonna try to do it over a fire. I hope it goes well. Oh man, this is a beautiful day out here today. Look at this. The sky just looks so much better when it don't spray them little trails all through it, don't it? That's God's creation there. That looks a lot better. I went to get some carrots at the other place. They had none, so I had to make a trip to another town. The town I live in is really small, really small. So I came over here to this place because they have a Hollywood road, and I know they have carrots here. Probably GMO or something. Yeah, they got them, but don't really need all that. Now I need a pepper, a red pepper. There's one right there. Whew. That's orange. I want to get red. There we go. Boom. I think that's pretty much I need. Pretty much everything. And an onion. I need an onion. I see one right here. Now for a bag of oranges, and I'm out of here. Alright, that took longer than normal, but I did find my carrots, so I got everything I need. I'll see y'all at the house. That is where I'm going to cook it at. I want to do it over fire just like Lynn did it. I don't want to go in the house and use the stove or anything like that. So I got to get this fire lit and get it hot so I can just use the embers of it, not the fire itself. But you know what I'm saying, when you barbecue, you got, sorry, I checked my beard. You got the embers of it, so that's what I want to accomplish here, or try to accomplish here. But bear with me, let's see where this goes to. My sister helped me get the prep work done, so we have the carrots, peppers, onions, cabbage, the chicken's in the house, and this is soy sauce, silver spoon. I wasn't born with one of them in my mouth, guarantee that. But I got me a new wok, well, a wok. I got the olive oil. Hey, let's do this right quick. What do y'all say? This is good for you. I don't know if I got it on camera or not, but I like drinking olive oil. I got garlic. So I hope I got everything that I need. I'm just waiting for the fire right now to burn down a little bit so I can have some emeralds down there instead of just a blazing fire. Hey, I think I'm doing this right. I don't know. I really don't know. I had never cooked this before, especially over a fire. Now, I've cooked a lot of times camping. I've cooked a lot over a fire. I feel like I got olive oil on my face. I've cooked a lot over a fire, but cooking a meal like this in a pan over fire, I don't think I've ever done that. But we're gonna see how it turns out. I think it's gonna be good. Normally, if I was at a campsite and I didn't want this wood to last this long, it would be burnt out so fast. But being that I wanted to hurry up and burn down, it's taking this sweet little time. If anybody's ever had this buhan, I hope I am saying this right. It's the noodles and everything I'm cooking tonight. But if anybody's ever had it, leave me a comment below. So and tell me what you think about it. I used to eat it when I was over there. I'd eat it in the morning, afternoon, breakfast, supper. It didn't matter. It was so good. I like a lot of noodle stuff. And one of my favorite places was, it was a fast food noodle place in Chow King was the name of it. Yeah, I like that place. It had some pretty good dumplings and things like that, which Lynn wasn't too fond of it. But she ate there because I liked it, and that was a good thing. But I love Philippine food. I love a lot of stuff that I tried over there. And the canteens, some of the best food and the cheapest food. You eat like a local, man, you'll save a ton of money. And then you can splurge maybe every now and again just going out to one of them little fancy restaurants that they have over there. But eat light if you can. Just eat those canteens. I remember one time we went out and I was craving a cheeseburger. We were in Siargao, and she wanted the canteen, and she went up there and she got chicken, cabbage, a lot of vegetables. She got drink. She got so many things, and it was 70 pesos. I go and get one cheeseburger, not a double, just one regular cheeseburger, order fries and a drink, and it was 300 pesos. So that tells you right there which one's the best one to eat. And she was full. She was good to go. Yeah, I'm trying to do this as I go. I didn't use chopped garlic, but I do have garlic that is pretty much the same thing. It's just already chopped for you, if you know what I'm saying. And you know, I don't think there's any to this recipe. I don't know. Like I said, I'm new at it, so we'll see how that goes. You know, I keep telling Gordon every time I start to cook, or Gordon Romney, you know, that's what he is in my phone anyhow. But he keeps calling wanting new recipes, and I try to help him out as much as I can. So I know he's famous cooking this stuff, but you know how it is. Well, one got away from me. Ooh, y'all hear that sizzle maneuver? I do. I got my walk there rocking like a... I'm probably gonna burn my hand in a few minutes. I just grab that bad boy. Put it over here. Got to get it a little more sturdy. All right, we'll see where we at from here. We're gonna let it boil. The covers on these things, y'all, so the South Carolina flies won't get to them. What's up, man? Carrots. That's peppers, carrots. Thank you, sir. Oh, a couple more peppers in there. You know what I'm saying? All right, and this is something I got from the Philippines when I went last time, called magic syrup. I was told to use that. I just used the whole pack. I got the cabbage in. We're gonna let it cook. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to it. All right, my first Filipino meal. Filipino meal. To me right now, it looks really good. I hope it comes out really good. I don't know how it can't come out good. I mean, we got all these flavors in here. We got all this stuff in here. It looks like just super good. And here's the noodles. Let's check these noodles out. And y'all, my hands are clean. I already washed them, but I'm not gonna dig into them too deep. I ordered those off of Amazon because we didn't have them here in our grocery store anywhere, so I had to order those off of Amazon. But I think it's going to come out really good. I can't wait to try it. I got to put the noodles in there next, but I got to let the cabbage and the peppers and the carrots cook down a little bit first. You know, honestly, I don't know if I got the right ratio of everything or not. First time, so figure it out. I mean, hey, it looks good. I don't know if y'all can see it from there, but or what you can see, to be honest with you, but it looks good. Just from the visual, what y'all think? 1 to 10. Leave me a comment below. I know I'm gonna get some zeros. It's all right. I love all y'all do. Hey y'all, I'm gonna give this first shot out here. See what it's all about. I sure hope it's good. That fire's hot. All right. Here's to you. Give me a little bit of noodles. That's good. That is real good. That is just like back home in the Philippines. All right, y'all. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that it's I hope they like it, because I made it for my brother-in-law and my sister and myself. But I think it's really good. All the ingredients and everything in it. The fire done really good. Pot did really good. So leave me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you will. Share this video if you will, and I hope you come back for the next one. We'll see y'all.